Today, the web is a definitive ruler. World more than a mammoth trade of information happens on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. In any case, in the event that the information source isn't real or the information isn't put away suitably, the whole world could come to a fiasco. Chiliz, the draftsman of the realm, Alexander Dreyfus holds the stick of being the torchbearer of the underpinning of the Chiliz organization and planting the seeds way back in 2016 for Socio's stage. Having led striking situations in different combinations, he likewise has shockingly as the pioneer individual from WebCity, a city local escort stage across Europe. His name is famous among the poker local area, particularly the very first French on the web. Emma Deskin has loaned her keenness to the organization of Chiliz in the limit of head working official beginning around 2018, and plays had a significant impact in corporate correspondences. She holds huge involvement with the media business. Thus, the amusement organization of Chiliz is tremendously helped by her experiences. One more vital job player in the CHC coin network has been Max Rabinovich, who has loaned his adroit techniques to the organization, and his commitments have been excellent. During the November 2020, Chiliz cost arrived at a lower 1 cent. Until January 2021, it just showed a minimal recuperation. Be that as it may, the presentation of Chiliz in the year starting 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers as the value shot to a degree of 3 cents by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHC USD on the cost front alongside volume. Starting from the start of spring, the cost of Chiliz reflected colossal development, and it denoted another record-breaking high at the 89 cents mark. Notwithstanding, from that point onward, the token confronted slight rectification. However, later, it held 40 cents cost level. In last April, the CHC cost stamped monstrous convention and contacted 75 cents, yet later, it rectified down to 21 cents mark. Then, the cost of Chiliz went on till the start of August 2021. In September, the CHC cost again stirred things up around town mark. However, later, it confronted sharp decay and tumbled to 24 cents and went on sideways, exchanging till the finish of October. From that point forward, it stamped critical recuperation, and in last November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. Be that as it may, in the wake of hitting 50 cents, according to negative signs, Chiliz has checked consistent negative pattern, and at present, it exchanges around 25 cents. Content for CHC gauge referenced on the site. Content depends on our expectation of least cost, opposition level, greatest cost, and different pointers. We demand you in all actuality do possess research recommending projected greatest cost, cast value changes, and least cost according to your assumptions for Chiliz figure. Specialists say on Chiliz coin cost forecast uncovers the Chiliz crypto cost will be around 26 cents on December 2022. The hopeful estimate predicts an ascent of half with a future cost of 30 cents in a year and further going up to $1.56 in the following 5 years. In January 2022, the cost began with 27 cents. According to Chiliz cost expectation 2022, Chiliz cost will be 24 cents before the year's over, with a hopeful pattern posing a potential threat in the impending not many years between 34 cents minus 50 cents. The future Chiliz figure holds splendid for CHC. It may not be an exaggeration to say it would surpass a bullish cost of 31 cents in 1 year or less. This implies an increment of 55% is assessed, which is a brilliant contributing choice in somewhere around 1 year of its ascent. CHC will be the pick and decision of gaming financial backers in the business sectors, particularly in light of the fact that it has endured over the extreme long haul. Likewise, financial backers have found an element of dependability implanted in this money. Pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies. Beating all obstacles, the Chiliz cryptographic money is said to hold a benchmark for its presentation later on, drawing in a significant games financial backer local area from the business sectors, outperforming all assumptions in light of the most recent insight about computerized coins. The worth of obstruction level R1, R2, and R3 are 19 cents, 20 cents, and 20 cents, separately. At the hour of composing this specialized examination and Chiliz conjecture, the ongoing cost of Chiliz is 20 cents with an exchanging volume of CHC as $187,924,845 and the market cap of Chiliz is $1,079,375,366 with a coursing supply of 5,344,064,580 CHC. The ongoing all-time high is 87 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2022. CHC gauge predicts the Chiliz value equivalent to 28 cents will stay consistent. Chiliz digital currency can exchange with a base cost as low as 20 cents. Chiliz cost forecast 2022 by specialists assess Chiliz cost to exchange around 26 cents in Q2, 28 cents in Q3, and 29 cents in Q4. The street ahead is loaded with pedals according to CHZ cost conjecture. Gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chiliz cost, taking it to cross all hindrances scaling point of the greatest cost of 30 cents. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the digital currency market. Chiliz cost expectation expects the CHZ cost is good to go to confirm serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. CHZ coin value expectation uncovers Chiliz will likely be conveyed by the NFT publicity for some time. In any event, transient counter-developments or even remedies in the coin are in any case anticipated. Chiliz could draw in significantly more consideration before very long. The Chiliz cost will surely not be unaffected for impending days. Chiliz Value Forecast 2023. CHZ has laid out a quick, dependable organization and works with the client experience of the item. These highlights can assist the CHZ with instituting gain a lot more exorbitant cost degree of 51 cents as projected most extreme cost. In the event that the drive for utilitarian crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush with the Chiliz cost gauge with the coin cost could arrive at a level over the base cost of 24 cents. Our Chiliz value forecasts depend on transient specialized investigation done by showcase specialists. Crypto market is viewed as unstable with high gamble included. Chiliz is entering a profoundly serious and merciless space, off-chain scaling. Given the posting on the regarded forecast stage, a clear cost flood in CHZ USD can absolutely be anticipated. Chiliz Value Expectation 2024. Particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and blasting areas of progress the corporate has plans on, there are presumptions in light of market cost forecasts that the cost of Chiliz might arrive at a place of 42 cents. CHZ conjecture predicts the most extreme cost. Lease cost to be 50 cents and 30 cents individual. Before you choose to buy CHZ, look for a well-qualified assessment to enhance your technique choices assessing market cap, projected Chiliz cost, opposition level, and so on to limit the dangers implied in this unstable market. Chiliz Value Forecast 2025. According to Chiliz cost forecast, on a drawn-out situation, the cost of Chiliz is set to hurry up with other cryptographic forms of money to plainly show up at the very least cost of 70 cents and greatest cost of 88 cents inside a couple of days of its entering 2025. CHZ gauge depicts a stunning confidence anticipated for the CHZ cost, principally because of its steady exhibition throughout the long term. Click here to become more about long-haul cryptographic money estimate. Chiliz Value Forecast 2026. Violating all impediments over the 2026, it would definitely give indications of fortune for its financial backers. As per our Chiliz cost forecast, upheld by hearty brilliant agreements, Chiliz cost may handily cross its past all-time high of 89 cents. The most extreme value level of CHZ crypto will be around $1.05.